Hi guys, so I have this carrot jollof rice. You should give it a try. It is so delicious and very easy to make. So sit back, let's make it together. You'll be needing carrots. Yes, get your carrots and you can roughly blend the carrots or just grate it as I am doing in this video. So after that, you need a protein. I made use of cow meat. You can make use of chicken or turkey or any protein of your choice is okay. So you're going to cut them into bites just like I did in this video. So after that, I heated up some groundnut oil and then I went in with some seasoning. I made use of curry powder, dry thyme, and Knorr seasoning cube. I gave it a quick fry and then I went in with my properly washed basmati rice and then I added coconut milk. Guys, this coconut milk, in fact, let me not say much. In place of coconut milk, you can add your chicken stock if you have. So I added a little bit of salt for taste and then I went in with some water. I gave it a gentle stir and then I covered and allowed to cook until it is 80% done. So at this point, I proceeded to fry my beef. I heated up some groundnut oil and then I went in with the beef. I seasoned with some curry powder, black pepper, and one Knorr cube. I fried that until it is crunchy. I wanted it to be crunchy, that's why I fried it for about 7 minutes. So at this point, I scooped it out and I set it aside for later. The oil was enough, so I added my blended scotch bonnet pepper, onions, ginger, and garlic. I gave that a gentle fry for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I went in with my grated carrots and I fried that for solid 4 minutes. So this was after 4 minutes. I went in with the fried beef. I gave that a gentle fry for everything to incorporate, and this point I went in with the cooked basmati rice. I gave it a gentle mince for all the condiments to come together with the rice, and guys, I just allowed it to simmer for 2 minutes and the rice is ready. This was so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.